fudgy and cakey brownies. 1 cup of chocolate chips. I know most people will use semi-sweet, but I'm using milk chocolate. And 1 cup of butter. I'm also going to toss a caramel bar in here. Most people will also use a double boiler. However, I'm melting this in the microwave. Approximately 90 seconds in 30-second increments, stirring every time. Not much meltage happening after the first 30 seconds. I'm going to add a teaspoon of espresso powder and back in for the second 30-second increment. A lot more meltage action this time. I'm going to give it a good stir and back in for the last 30 seconds. It's fully melted. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Whisk this together well. Add 3 eggs. I'm going to whisk again, but I'm not going to whisk too much, just to get the eggs incorporated. A little sprinkle of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, measured with my heart, 2 more eggs, and 1¼ cup of all-purpose flour. This time I'm going to whisk just until incorporated. Super thick, rich, fudgy, and a little bit cakey. 7 by 11 greased glass dish in the oven at 350 degrees, approximately 30 minutes. As soon as those brownies come out of the oven, I'm going to start making the frosting. In a small saucepan, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons of milk, and 6 tablespoons of butter. Over medium heat, we want to get these ingredients to come to a gentle boil. Allow this mixture to boil rapidly for 30 to 45 seconds. Once you've completed that boiling time, you're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using milk. You could use semi-sweet. Stir vigorously and get all of the chocolate melted into the buttery, sugary mixture. While the brownies are still hot, the frosting is going on top. Perhaps you can tell how much I enjoy frosting. These are going to fully cool in this pan before I cut them. I'm honest to a fault. I'm one of these people whose honesty gets myself in trouble. So when I say to you, I'm going to let something fully cool before I cut it, please know I'm lying. But like, not an intentional lie. I have all the best intentions. I just can't do it, okay? My intentions are there every time. This glass dish is still hot, okay? These are not cool. They should be, but they are not. The frosting is still warm and melty. This is not the kind of brownie you can eat with your hands. You really need a spoon for this one. Holy sweet baby shitballs.